Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the warm and comforting world of Zosui, a Japanese rice porridge. Zosui is traditionally a dish made with soft, seasoned rice. It's often eaten at the end of a hot pot meal or when someone is feeling under the weather. The beauty of Zosui is its adaptability, and today we're using chicken broth for a Chinese-inspired taste. Let's get started! Let's look over the ingredients. Cooked rice 1 cup, it's about 180 gram. Eggs 2 and water 250 milliliters. Chicken broth powder 2 teaspoons. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste ½ teaspoon. A pinch of salt and sugar, and sesame oil 1 teaspoon, and chopped green onions as needed. First, we'll lightly beat our eggs. In a pot, combine the water, chicken broth powder, soy sauce, salt, and sugar, and turn on the heat to medium. Once it starts boiling, we'll add in the cooked rice. You will notice it starts bubbling almost immediately. Slowly pour in the beaten egg, a circular motion, to reduce the heat to low. Let it cook without stirring too much. When the eggs are about 80% cooked, turn off the heat and drizzle in the sesame oil. And finally, it's finished. So let's plate it. For serving, we're going for a deep dish to cradle our lovely polish. Finish off with a touch more green onions and voila! This Chinese-style zosui is pure comfort. The creamy egg blend beautifully with the savory chicken broth, while the garlic and sesame oil add depth. The freshness from the green onion is the perfect finishing touch. Truly a heartwarming dish. Let's recap today's cooking. First, the rice absorbed liquid quickly, so once you add it, move swiftly through the steps. Second, if you are not a fan of garlic, feel free to skip it. Third, and remember, zosui is best enjoyed fresh and hot. Thank you for joining us in making the delightful dish. We hope you give it a try at home. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more Japanese culinary adventure soon. Sayonara!